In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use member sites on Squarespace. So let's dive right into the process. First, you're going to want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. If you haven't logged in for a while, make sure you have your login credentials ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the home page of your Squarespace dashboard. From here, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Website to open up more options related to your site's layout and pages. After clicking on Website, you're going to want to navigate to Pages. This is where you'll manage all the different sections of your current site, and it's where we'll add your new member site. Now, on the Pages menu, look for a section labeled Not Linked. This is important because member pages are somewhat hidden and not directly accessible from your site's main navigation. So click the little plus icon that appears next to Not Linked. After doing that, a list of different types of pages will pop up for you to choose from. You're going to select Member Site. Once that's done, you'll then be prompted to choose a layout for your member site's homepage. Take a moment to consider what type of layout best fits your needs, and don't forget to give your new member site a unique name to differentiate it from your other pages. Once you've chosen a layout and assigned a name, this action will automatically create a new section called Member Sites in your Pages panel. It's essentially a dedicated area where you'll manage everything related to that member site. Next, click on Add Page. You're given a range of options here too. Consider what best serves your audience, perhaps adding an events page, a course page, or even scheduling capabilities. Choose what fits your goals. Following this, you'll want to set up a pricing plan. Click on the Pricing Plan option and then Create Pricing Plan. Here you can select between a fixed amount, a subscription model, or even offering your content for free. Select whatever aligns best with your business model. If you'd like to offer digital products, Squarespace also allows you to add those, and it's a great way to enrich the value of your member site. Just make sure you link this block back to the pricing plan you've already created. Finally, when members sign up or purchase a plan, they'll be prompted to create an account. This account then unlocks access to the exclusive member-only content you've set up. That's how your audience can interact with and benefit from your exclusive offerings. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up member sites within Squarespace. With these simple steps, you can offer exclusive content and engage your community in a fresh and recurring way. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your member site.